Hi guys, at Hampden Park Station level crossing in East Sussex with AV Trains Jamie and East Sussex level crossing supercars.
No, it's not that loud.
There we go. Now, time is 15:49 on Saturday, the 25th of June 2016, and this is for our 15. Oh, a minute. Oh dear. 15:45 cancelled. So we're down for our 15:51 Golf 38 Southern service from Ashford International to Brighton, and our 15:52 2 Delta 24 Southern service from All to Brighton. Let me just see what let me just see why Brighton to All is cancelled. It says this service was cancelled between Eastbourne and Orr due to a planning error. Where? Oh yeah.
There's a train up there. There's one train up there. I don't know where the train is.
I know, saying that.
I have no idea. That would be for your 15:52 to Delta 24 Southern service from All to Brighton.
Oh yeah.
There comes the turbostar. Yeah, that turbostar will be for yeah, it could be for Ashford International to Brighton. We've got.
Oh yeah, he's passing. I don't think they do stop.
They don't.
So,
171, 729. 171, 729 to Brighton, and we're staying. We're staying for our 15:52 to Delta 24 Southern service from All to Brighton. Yeah.
what are these tagging barriers?
Yes, Dagenham. SBX Rail Systems, Dagenham, Essex. Still can't see. Still can't see the train.
Yeah, I was about to say the train, or you can't see it at all.
There's a green signal over there.
Yeah.
So the train should be coming. 53 now.
Yes. Oh, it is.
Here she is.
Where's it here? What is it? Oh, I see.
Yeah, that way. What? The train spotter. I've no idea. 377 154. $377,154 to Brighton, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.